Hello people! Today we are introducing you to another Instagram feature called cross-posting. What is cross-posting exactly? Cross-posting is an Instagram feature that allows your reels to be suggested on Facebook. And that's not all. In addition, other social media users will be able to create reels with your original sound or remix your video. When others use your content, your Instagram username will be displayed, making this a great marketing trick. Let's show you how it looks in practice. Open the Instagram app. Then click on the profile icon to go to your profile. Let's go to Settings. Press the three lines in the upper right corner. Scroll down until you find the cross-posting field. Open it. Here you can read more about this feature. The essence of the cross-posting feature is sharing Instagram Reels on Facebook, which is especially useful for business profiles because it saves a lot of time. Now let's activate the cross-posting feature. Press the toggle button next to it. And that's it. Now you can focus on creating creative content, and Instagram will help your Reels reach a larger audience. If you found this video helpful, like, comment and subscribe to the channel.